It's recording.
Okay. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give this basket a little spritz of oil so that the fish won't stick down there. Okay, and then what I do is I take a a napkin or something like that, and I just kind of smish it around. There isn't much. You don't really see. It's just designed to keep the skin on the salmon from sticking. Okay, so that's what I do with that. Now I'm going to go over to here. Get up earlier. And now I'm just going to take her piece, and I'm just going to add a little salt. Well, you know what I'm going to do first? I'm going to give it a little spritz of oil too. So it doesn't need much because salmon's fairly oily. Okay? And then I'm going to just give it a quick dose of salt, move it around like that. I just wash my hands quick. Alright? And then I'm going to take some paprika, which is not opened yet. Okay. Alright. Now that we got that open. And again, you put any kind of spice you want, as much as you want. This one is for red, so it's going to be mild and light. Alright, so now here's paprika going in. I put a little bit on there. Okay, and I just kind of roll it around a little bit on the back side. Again, it doesn't really add a spice. It kind of just adds a little sweetness, and it adds a nice color. If I can get it to come out. There we go. Okay, and then I usually just take my hand, I kind of just rub it around a little bit. Not too much because it'll clump up. Move it around. And then she's just about done. I give the back end a quick spurts. Done with that. And that's her prep. And I'll cook it with the main side, with the paprika side facing up mostly. Now this one did not come with skin, okay? Just because we're not ordering it the way we used to, but it won't make any difference. All right, now we're going to do mine. All right, mine, same size piece. Okay, take that. And I made a special Cajun sauce for myself, Cajun rub rather for myself. Give it again a quick spurt. And I'm going to take my Cajun here. Any lumps that have managed to form. Okay, I'm going to roll that around. I'm sure Rachel's smelling this right now. She's thinking, I can't possibly get near that. That'll kill me. Okay, how we doing, babe? Is it recording all right? Mm-hmm. All right. Yeah, Bob, this is my first time to record this thing, so, you know, I have no idea how it's going to come out. Okay, so essentially, mine is done now. All right? All right, the next step now is we're switching back over to here. Okay, I'm going to turn on the Foodi like that. You see the basket's in there already. Remember I did it earlier. I put some oil on it. And now I'm going to take the two pieces of fish. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to put Regina's on the top portion so I don't forget. Even though I doubt I'll forget it. And I'll put mine on the bottom portion like that. All right, can you see that? You getting a look at it? Mm-hmm. All right, that's good. So, and you should be amazed, Bob. We've been doing this now for about 4 or 5 minutes, and we haven't had an argument yet. That's really quite good.
Give it time.
Okay, so now let me just say we are. Let me just double check the temperatures and everything, so I don't screw that up. I'm going to cook these fish at I think it is. Yeah, it's 390 degrees. So I'm hitting the air fryer button. His will be similar. Mm-hmm. Okay, I got to shut the lid first. Okay, it's set at 390. You can change the temperature on, like in yours on mine, but I'm going to do it at 390, and I'm going to set it for about 7 minutes. Okay. Now the 7 minutes could take me 9. It could take me whatever. As I told you, you're going to be checking it to see how it works. Okay. So now I'm going to hit the start button, and off it goes. Okay.